Hello dear royals, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, so good to have you here. Today, as always, I have a really interesting tutorial to show to you. We will be making a deep conditioning mask. This conditioning mask is loaded with lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient to the hair, deeply moisturizes the hair, softens the hair, prevents hair fall, and also promotes a good hair growth. We're talking about fenugreek. Now, if you are ever interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, you're in the right place. Please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share this video, comment, and the best part of it, journey with me to my kitchen. My name is Anne with MC Keys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And then you'll die. Welcome back to my kitchen, dear royals. So excited to have you back. Now, this is our main ingredient, the powerful fenugreek. You can also call it methi powder. And I got mine from my local Indian grocery store. And I'm also going to be going in with okra. And that is a pre-made okra. I left it in my refrigerator. I'm going to leave the link to this video in the description box, okay? And I'm also going to go in with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And that's it. That's it, baby. That's it. And I'm also going to go in with water, about a cup of water. And it's a hot to warm kind of water. And this is because I have a low porosity. I like warm things in my hair so it can penetrate the cuticle of my hair and just work better. I have a habit of throwing everything into a blender, but you can use a mixer, a whip, whatever, and that's the end result. I like it, but I wish it was a little bit more loose, so I should have went in with more water, but in all, it was okay. Just make sure that your own hair is damp enough. Look at what fenugreek did to my hair. Soft. Look, I don't know what to say. Fenugreek really softened my hair, okay? Fenugreek can help even prevent hair loss. It contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient that conditions and moisturizes the scalp and the hair. Deeply moisturizes the hair. I cannot tell you how happy and content that I was. I'd already done this, this is the second round of application because my hair is so thick. I had to go in with, I'm using very small sections so you can see and feel the softness with me. Fenugreek can also revive dead hair, fight dandruff, control scalp inflammation, add shine to your hair, soften your texture. Oh my God. Pop your curls, yes. Prevent premature graying also. I'm just excited with the end results. And look at that. My hair is so soft. I'm about to twist the section. So soft, so soft. All right, so our models for today, of course, my daughters. This is my second daughter. And she doesn't like her hair to be touched, so pay her no mind. We're gonna do this. And that's my first daughter, she's always more cooperative. And these are the 2 models. Please watch this video to the end to see what fenugreek did to all of our hair. All right, fenugreek, powder is rich source of vitamins A, K, C, folic acid, potassium, calcium, iron, protein. And these are some of the essential nutrients that are responsible for hair growth. So what I did, just like my hair, I washed it with shampoo, both girls. I used apple cider vinegar rinse. I'm going to have a tutorial for that soon. And I rinsed it off with conditioner. And now I am putting in the fenugreek powder. Their hair is not as, I would say, hard as mine. So I could use a little bit of a bigger sections for them, but please make sure that you're adding a generous amount of fenugreek mask. Just make enough of it. And I noticed that the fenugreek that I got from Indian store is different from the one I usually get from Lagos, Nigeria. This one is better. It's soft. I didn't need to straight nothing is fine, and it's just a little different. Okay, I am all done with Snow's hair. My second daughter, the little girl, I'm just gonna refer to her as the little girl in this video. Yeah, I'm done with her hair. Look at how soft and moisturized it is. And remember, I added okra to it. Okra also contains vitamin A, C, K, calcium, potassium, and has a lot of sleep. So sleep comes with ease of detangling. Now, this is my first daughter, say the one I just showed in now. The big girl. Her hair is the longest, thick, and so I'm very happy that I went in with fenugreek because it did its thing, helping me detangle this hair. It's all I care for. Soften the hair. That's it. That's it. Bring it on hair game. And this is a little girl's hair. Washed it out with just water. Okay? Easy to rinse off. Now look at what this did to her hair. Just take a brief moment to admire this. Soft. I went ahead and added my moisturizing hair butter, Sikis moisturizing hair butter. I added forest growth oil, and look at the shine. Look at that. She didn't let me do what I wanted to do. I wanted to do some, mini twists, but she didn't let me. She doesn't like her hair to be touched, so this is what she got. Ugly cornrows, whatever. I made it work. That's it for her. Ta-da! You can go to school the next day. And that's my first daughter, the big girl. Yeah, so I wanted to do the medium twist thing for her, and she let me do it for her. So yeah, that's like a section. I wish I could do mini twists. It was gonna be a lot, and she has so much hair, as you can already see. Trying to show you how soft this hair is. Now this is the section that I twisted. Soft, moisturize, and I did the same thing. Added the butter and forest with oil, and I did massage both of their scalp with forest with oil. I'm gonna go ahead and link the website in my description box. In the description box. But look at this hair. Oh my god, look at the hair. It's so beautiful. It's shiny, rich. I'm all done. Can I just breathe now? I'm all done. Beautiful. The video is doing it no justice at all. Okay? 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 The ends are so color. Okay, now I'm about to show you what I do to the ends. I kind of like finger roll the ends so it doesn't come off. That's what I do, and I use the butter to do that. I use the moisturizing hair butter. It's maybe shea butter. And I roll and roll and roll and leave it alone. And the ends of her hair is so curly. I'm gonna try to see if I can show you all what I'm talking about. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see, but the twist is so beautiful because the ends are just so curly and beautiful and rich. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so fenugreek is really good. Mix it up with okra and come back and let me know how you like it. Okay. And did I also mention that fenugreek is can promote a thicker, healthier hair, and of course it can promote hair growth. Now look at the models. Look at my models. And this is another way that I wear the hair to school. They wear the hair to school. Thank you so much, dear Royals, for watching that tutorial. Please talk to me in the comment section. Will you be making this hair mask? Okay. All right. So good to have you back today. And I will see you when next week, Sunday. Come back, same time. All right. Bye.